If your pigs eat a lot but did not grow well, you are feeding the wrong way. Do you know that feed alone can take more than 60% of your pig farming cost? Oh yes, that statement is true. So, if your feeding pattern is wrong, your business is already in trouble, even if your pigs are looking healthy. Welcome to Farm House. Many pig farmers complain that pig farming is not profitable. But the truth is, feeding can either make you rich or quietly drain your business. Today, let's talk about how feeding can make or mar your pig farming business. In pig farming, feeding is not just about giving food. Feeding determines the growth speed, health and immunity, meat quality and overall profit. You can have a good pig breed and good housing. If you get feeding wrong, profit will never come. Successful farmers don't just feed randomly. They understand what pigs need at every stage of their life, and at the same time, they know what protein, energy, mineral and vitamins means to the pigs. Let me tell you this, if you overfeed your pig, you are wasting your money. If you underfeed them, they will have a slow growth. Balanced feeding is where profit lies. Another point you should take note of is water. Water is part of feeding. Dirty water or insufficient water reduces feed intake and slow growth even when your feed is available. When you use low quality feed or fake feed, it often becomes expensive later because your pigs will not grow well and the time required for you to raise them to market weight will be more longer. Poor feeding leads to slow growth, weak pigs, diseased pigs and high mortality. Another point you should take note of is when you feed your pigs with just one pig formula. Feeding piglets, grower, finisher, pregnant sows the same type of feed is silently killing your business. Ignorant feeding conversion ratio can also be another problem. Common feed mistake farmers make. When you change your feed brand too often, when you feed kitchen waste without balancing them, when you don't calculate feeding cost per pig, when you ignore storage and feeding spoilage. All these mistakes don't just show immediately, but they destroy profits over time. To make feeding work for you, not against you, plan your feeding program before you buy piglets or before your animal give birth. Match feeding quality to pig age. Keep feeding record. Observe your pig daily. Adjust feeding based on growth and health. Feeding is not guesswork, it is strategy. In pig farming, feeding is either your biggest asset or your biggest enemy. Master feeding and pig farming becomes a business. Ignore it and pig farming becomes a struggle. If this video is helpful to you, like this video, subscribe and comment how you currently feed your pigs. Let's learn together and grow as a farmer.